Hi there folks, this is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have price inquiries, you can call us or you can jump over to our website where all of our prices are listed. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2000 Roadtrek 190. All right, folks, it's time for the inside tour of today's video. I'm currently sitting in the driver's seat. Kind of angled across from me is the rear entry door. This one is equipped with the third jump seat. It will sleep up to 3 people. You can sleep 2 in the bed in the rear. Then you can also sleep 1 right here. This front seat will swivel. It will face the rear seat. And then you will span the gap between those. And then you can lay across those 2 chairs. That is a bed more for a smaller person or a child. Would not be overly comfortable as an adult. This one has all cloth interior. All the seats, cushions, fabric are all in very nice shape for the year. There's no rips, tears, or stains. I'm starting up front here, then I'll make my way towards the back. Then I'll come back towards the front to give you a couple different angles so you can get a feel of what it's like to be inside of this RV. Directly behind the driver's seat, we have a nice big, you can either use it as a wardrobe or as a pantry. I'll give you an inside view of that here in a second when I stand up. Fantastic fan in the ceiling. Got a joke for you. What does a cat eat on a hot summer's day? They would eat a mice cream cone. This closet here is used to store the table, it looks like, along with the table rods. Pretty good sized closet. It's got the hangers up top, where it appears to have been used more as a wardrobe. Hang your clothes in there. If you wanted to, you could also put some modular shelving or baskets in there and use it as a pantry. We got our control center up here. Top one is our gauges for our levels. Hold this button to test your levels. Turn your water pump on and your battery disconnect for your coach battery. Hot water heater switch, which is propane. If my memory serves me correctly, that would be for the porch light, the outside light. Got an Onan 2800 generator with 197 hours. Remote start switch for that there. These doors here, that houses the wet bath. We'll show you that on the way back towards the front. Kitchenette is on the driver's side. Fridge is on the bottom. Has a small freezer inside. That is 110, 12 volt, or propane gas. Kitchen sink, 2-burner cooktop back here. Microwave up top. Brand new Kenmore AC unit up top there. That was installed by my guys. And the rear living area. The way that it's set up right now, you've got a couch on either side. To turn it down into a bed, you would take the table that was in the front closet. It goes in the gap here, you fill in the gap. Then you just slide the cushions, pull the one off the wall, and you can either put that in the center or slide them all over. Makes a nice big bed in the rear here. Nice feature about this, it's got the big rear entry door here. Some of these Roadtreks will have a cabinet sitting right here, which did not allow you to really enter the rear of the van. Not necessarily that you'd want to enter the rear of the van, but I do have people sometimes ask about shoving a canoe, a kayak, bikes, anything. It allows you to open that rear door and put things in like that if you're that type of person that wants to do that. Flat screen TV. Propane furnace is right down here. Fuse panel is down here on the opposite side. The AC controls will be on the AC itself. This is the thermostat for the propane furnace. The Roadtreks are almost all equipped with a wet bath. The way that these work, you have your toilet there where you can sit and use the stool. The shower head is up top. You essentially stand in the aisle. You're going to pull that shower curtain. Sorry, losing words here. Pull the shower curtain around you on the track while you stand in the aisle. So you're going to stand right here. You're going to pull the shower curtain around you. You can turn the ceiling fan on for exhaust if you would like. And then you're going to essentially shower in the aisle here. This whole floor here towards the front, you may ask how that works. This is one large shower pan essentially. So you stand right here and shower, and there is the drain. You're going to get the floor a little wet, but the water will go down there. And may have to use the towel when you get done to slightly dry up the floor. Nice clean unit. It appears to have been very well taken care of. You've got a small blemish here or there, but overall, really nice clean little unit. If you have any questions on this one, feel free to give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around, at 419-899-2020. Thank you for watching this video. I put these together not only for our potential customers, but as well as everybody else out there on YouTube, so you can get a feel of what it's like to be inside this RV. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.